Welcome back, history enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Historic Sites. I am your host, Amy, and today we are taking you on a journey to the past as we explore the fascinating Fort Nisqually Living History Museum located in Tacoma. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an amazing adventure into the 19th century. Fort Nisqually, established in 1833, was the first European settlement on Puget Sound. Strategically located along the Hudson's Bay Company trading route, this historic site played a pivotal role in the fur trade between settlers and the indigenous people of the Pacific Northwest. Today, it stands as a living history museum, allowing visitors to experience what life was like during that time. As you explore the grounds of Fort Nisqually, you'll have the unique opportunity to interact with knowledgeable and passionate reenactors who bring the past to life. These talented individuals portray the fur traders, craftsmen, and settlers who once walked these very streets. Watch in awe as blacksmiths expertly forge iron tools, weavers meticulously create beautiful fabrics using traditional looms, and cooks prepare authentic meals over open fires. You can even participate in hands-on activities, such as churning butter or trying your hand at carpentry, truly immersing yourself in the daily life of this bustling 19th century fort. The museum also features a variety of exhibits that provide a deeper understanding of the historical significance of Fort Nisqually. You'll find artifacts and displays showcasing the interactions between European settlers, local indigenous tribes, and the diverse cultural influences that shaped this region's fascinating past. And let's not forget about the beautiful surroundings. Located within the serene Point Defiance Park, Fort Nisqually offers stunning views of Tacoma's natural landscapes. Take a stroll along the trails, breathe in the crisp air, and imagine what life was like for those early settlers as they navigated through these rugged terrains. Whether you're a history buff or simply curious about the past, a visit to Fort Nisqually is an absolute must. The meticulous attention to detail and the immersive experiences offered at this living history museum will transport you back in time, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for the struggles and triumphs of those who came before us. Well, folks, that wraps up our adventure at Fort Nisqually Living History Museum. I hope you enjoyed this virtual trip to the past as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you learned anything today. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.